167 foot-pounds of torque. Just an incredible big block in this thing. All right, guys, we're back again.
Oh, are we?
Again. You would have thought we were just here a week ago blowing the motor up, but
Never happened.
never. It's like it never happened. Went ahead and fired it right back up. So I don't know. We're gonna, hopefully this will be just a quick session. We can just get in, make 1,500 and get out alive. And if not alive, at least made 1,500. So.
It does run good on 3 cylinders, though. We know
Yeah,
that.
we do know that. 10-second proven. It did. It did. It made great oil pressure. The best oil pressure. It's clean. All right, guys. So we're gonna make a couple hits on basically wastegate, just 32 pounds. Just to kind of try and get stuff dialed in and ready to go, and then we'll hopefully turn it up from there if everything looks good. So we'll keep you posted. I'll try to update you guys as we go. Holy crap, guys.
But that was 35. Blue one.
35, bro.
Wow.
But look how much more.
Yeah.
It's just 5 more pounds.
Dude.
Boost, way more pounds.
Looks like we put together a little healthier one than the last one.
We made it a pull last time.
Well, I think I'm just saying by the power.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
That one was clearly hurting.
Flash and everything is money on this. So it's...
Well, Kalen said the lash was money on the last one too.
I know it is. I did it this time.
Well, I think wastegate will be good for a 5.
There you go.
Okay, there we go.
About 10.
Holy, look at that.
Dude, you're about to go.
Wall of power.
I bet you even that right there picks up mile an hour.
This is crazy, though, the 4 pounds and the 200 horsepower.
Yeah.
It's just really
300
efficient there.
horsepower there. But
Just-
it blew up.
Just really efficient there in that part where the engine's running versus
I think this
has a hole in it.
Dude, look at
that's
that.
maybe failure.
Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah.
My arms.
Dude, it sounded so good too.
It sounded like
It sounded smooth.
I mean, can we do what we did before on 45 pounds?
Probably.
It's gonna make more than
It'll probably make more than it did. All right, guys, we just looked at the data. So we got 36 pounds, 10,300 RPM.
turbo ain't even in its happy zone. No.
It's gonna get yiked. I think we could probably give it 10 pounds.
I think so.
Does it look that good?
Yeah,
Dude, I think
look at the
I'd
cross.
say we give it 10
I don't want to
pounds.
be the guy, but like realistically, I think we need like 2 more pulls. If it's
We'll
what
see.
we want and
We'll see how the boost control acts.
Yeah.
If the boost control works
Yeah.
like I hope
Yeah,
it does,
if
then
it
it'd be
actually goes
sick.
to the target.
Yeah.
You know what wouldn't have this problem?
Oh, Dyno.
Of Dyno.
That it would.
This one was that the first one?
That was
Or
the
this
one the green one's the one we just made.
The blue one was the first? No.
Yeah.
Oh, it was?
Yeah.
So it made 36 and now it made 41.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You messing her up?
Something like that.
Clean. That's messed up, man. Let's go. We got it. So much more efficient though.
Dude, look at the line. Just fucking
beautiful.
I mean, how many RPM is that? 1, 2, 3, almost 4,000. 4,000 RPM.
It's super clean.
This is a street car. You got a big old power band.
Yeah.
On that 73 millimeter, and that's not even quick spool either.
Oh, really?
We can bring it in sooner.
We'll do that.
Yeah, say we will be bringing it in a lot sooner.
No, we need to bring it in as soon.
Oh yeah, we're bringing it in off the line.
Right here.
Yeah.
The curve.
We're gonna be making
We want a
45
stiff curve.
45 pounds stiff. That is clean. 667 foot-pounds of torque.
Yeah.
Just an incredible big block in this thing. Yes.
I just hurt my knee.
He's having a mechanical issue with his knee. My God.
A little nervous.
No.
Oh. Is this thing gonna be just good on the rolling chip, or?
Well, we're gonna test it. We're gonna have to go ahead and test if it's good on the rolling chip.
Are we gonna? All right, go ahead. Or?
What are we gonna do? We're gonna do a second or a third?
I want to do second. Shift third.
Yeah, shift
As
third.
long as it's not blowing the tire off.
It'll hook up.
So,
Yeah, it'll be. You'll hit it and it'll like bog down because all the timing's gonna drop out. So it'll go and then build a bunch of boosts and start popping, and then that's when you go. You'll know. I'm sure it'll let you know.
I've done it before. I know.
Yeah, but this is different than Agent
know, this
because
is
we
way
need
different.
we need to spool a big unit, so we gotta take a lot of timing out. So we're gonna go test the rolling anti-lag for the ice cream cruise, and then we'll box it up. Wait, got reverse all dialed in. Wow, what a nice car. Oh yeah, yep, it's got those.
how'd that look?
Well, good, but you didn't have it enough RPM for it to really build any boost.
Oh, it didn't build any?
Like 5 pounds.
Oh.
But you were out like,
What do I want to be at, 7?
no, like 6.
What was it at?
Like 5. Oh my God. Dude.
That's got to be the fastest car you've ever seen.
Yeah.
Oh! It just needed some RPM, that was it.
Oh yeah.
Instant up to the chip.
Oh yeah. Dude, she was skating around.
Oh yeah.
It felt sick.
Felt really good. What boost was that?
Dude, that was like wastegate. In second, that was, I'll look at the log, but
That put my in the seat.
yeah. Felt pretty good.
Dude, I'm like shaking right now. That felt nasty.
Oh my God.
Bro, that's got to be the fastest lick you've ever felt.
We should have had the draggy.
I know.
That was fast. Well, guys, this has been the day that we needed. The most rewarding day.
Oh, this is
Yeah, we earned this day.
This was earned.
Oh yeah.
Not only needed, but earned.
Wait until we earn what's gonna happen on
I
Friday.
hope.
If I lose to you in the final, it's a good day.
That'd be sick.
That would be clean. What if you win to him in the final?
That'd be a better day.
I suppose that'll probably wrap us up for today. Next time you see us, we will be at the ice cream cruise. I heard Cletus is coming. I heard he might even get the bus.
Leader, if that blue truck thinks it's beating what the I just felt, he's mistaken.
He's mistaken. And there's more available if need be.
Oh, there's 30 pounds more. 40.
Just, yeah. Anyways, guys, that's where we're at. Thank you guys for sticking with us. I know it's been a bit of a lull here, a bit of a boring few days, but
been races.
we
It's been broke.
have been working our butts off, so I feel like we earned a little bit of celebration, and there's more to come. We're coming into the good part of the year here. Lots of good events coming up. So anyways, guys, that'll be it for today. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out, guys.